What's up guys, welcome back into another video. As you guys may know, it's been a while since I haven't posted any videos, but yeah, into this video I got a customer, and my customer is my friend right here, and we're gonna be going to install a Mopar sticker on his Chrysler. And yeah, I'll show you guys the tutorial like on how to install it on the windshield. And yeah, let's get this video started. As you guys can see, this is the Mopar sticker right here. Into this video, you might need a sanitizer. You might need this brand. I don't know. I use this one. You just gotta spray on the windshield and clean it off. And yeah, I'll show you guys the full tutorial step by step. You guys just need to spray the sanitizer on the windshield like this. You spray a little bit, not too much on both sides, and you can just spray it off and wait about 10 minutes before you put the sticker on it. The sanitizer is for just to hold it for longer. You guys just need to do that. It's not gonna show. It's just for the sticker, so it could hold it longer for a long period of time. Even when you go to a car wash, it's gonna hold it. But yeah, this is pretty much it. And yeah, I'll just put the sticker on right now, and I'll show you guys how you guys could do it. Make sure you guys go to a place where it's not windy. For example, we're in the garage right now. The car's in the garage, so yeah. All right, guys.
Woke up every day saying life is a bitch. You done die broke or you busy getting rich. Niggas did me dirty, left me dead in the ditch. Learned to forget, but I never did forget. Loyal to the team, I ain't never gonna switch. You was at the party getting drunk, getting lit. In the back of my head, I'm like, fuck that shit. I was busy in the lab making songs, making hits. Trying to get money till I cash out. Might break your arm if you're looking for a handout. I've been on the move for a long time. Fighting with the man on my shoulder, I was dealing with self-doubt. All my life I've been the fucking underdog. Used to wonder how these niggas got it all. I was getting one play a day, now I got a couple thousand on my catalog. See through you niggas know ultrasound. School of motherfuckers, you a class clown. You was talking shit, where you at now? Everybody play the tough guy till his man down. Dancing with the devil, Lucy always in the function. Didn't really have an option, see more tears than an onion. I was following my passion, probably with the shit, probably come and get the bus. Losing my patience, I waited my turn. Can't collect everything that I earned. Built a few bridges, but some gotta burn. They keep talking down like, but when you gonna learn? Been on the come up for some time now. People like a trust is hard to find now. Swear to God, there's so much on my mind now. Coming for the word, that bitch is mine now. You don't wanna whip me on a bad day. Gonna take off on the runway. Always on my job, working hard, treated every single day like it's Monday. Started from the bottom, bitch, I'm still here. Gunning for the top, will I make it there? Rapping with the legends in the top 10. I've been on the edge, I got no fear. Please don't you do me no favors, no trust for these niggas that put it together. They planning to take it apart. Not enough fingers on both of my hands to count all the backstabbers that came from my heart. Stuck to my guns and I got them reloaded. Proceeding with caution, I'm playing it smart. Won't be forgotten, I swear that I'm leaving my mark. Losing my patience, I waited my turn. Came to collect everything that I earned. Built a few bridges, but some gotta burn. They keep talking down like, well, when you gonna learn? Been on the come up with some time now. People like a trust is hard to find now. Swear to God, there's so much on my mind now. Coming for the word, that bitch is mine now. This shit is automatic and I come up with the static. I ain't never been to college, but they gotta give me credit. And I'm doing double damage, you don't need paramedics. No one there fucking challenge. Got that fire like a phoenix, getting better every minute, every hour, every second. Every time I'm on the record, I don't know what they expecting, but my shit don't manifest it. And I'm about to go ballistic. No, the boys fucking sick, and I ain't talking about congested. Had to go and do this shit dolo. She can get wild like Steve-O. Since day one, I've been bueno. Everything I drop straight fuego. Way too much to prove, I ain't come out here to lose. Came a long fucking way, couldn't last in my shoes. You're sleeping on me, guess they hitting snooze. If you standing in my way, motherfucker, to the moon. Woke up every day saying life is a bitch. You done die broke or you busy getting rich. Niggas did me dirty, left me dead in the ditch. Learned to forget, but I never did forget. Loyal to the team, I ain't never gonna switch. You was at the party getting drunk, getting lit. In the back of my head, I'm like, fuck that shit. I was busy in the lab making songs, making hits.
Entonces, asumí una vez más mencionado. And you think it's bullshit.
too slowly. Yeah, keep moving. Like that. Like don't stop. Yeah. I just want to be perfect on the car, you know? I want to finish it off, not fast. I did my shit in like 5 minutes.
Alright, as you guys can see, we just installed the Mopar sticker. And yeah, it looks really good. All you guys gotta do now is just go over it one more time with this blue thing right here, as you guys can see. You can use it for tint, but I'm using it for the sticker. And yeah, I'm gonna sanitize it over again, and then yeah, you should take off the other sticker that is over the letters. This one right here. Then you should take this one off slowly so it stays there, and yeah, you guys should be good. And yeah, I'll take the sticker off, the one above it, and I'll show you guys the after. All right guys, as you guys can see, we just removed the upper sticker, and yeah, this thing does look really nice. If you guys want to order it, I'll show you guys. I'll put the profile on my Instagram on top of the screen, and you guys can follow me and I can ship it out to you if you want. But yeah, as you guys can see, that's the installation. And yeah, As always, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel for more content. I got more content for you coming for you guys soon. And yeah, as always, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel for more content, like I said. And yeah, as always, you guys have a good day, and I'm out. Peace.